Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Instagram not connecting to Facebook page, permissions, business manager and fix. To fix the Instagram not connecting to a Facebook page error, you must ensure you have full control admin roles across both assets within Meta Business Suite and resolve conflicting cross-app ownership flags. Connection failures typically occur because the Facebook page and the Instagram profile are managed by different Meta Business Manager portfolios or because the required permission tokens have expired. Fix 1. Grant Run Control Admin Permissions. Navigate to the setting inside your Meta Business Suite desktop dashboard. Then choose your primary business portfolio and select Pages from the left-hand Account menu. Now click your profile name and verify that you have full control/admin permission enabled. Partial or editor access will block API linking across platforms. Fix 2. Make sure your Instagram account is a professional account. Open Instagram, then go to Account Privacy. Select Switch Account Type and confirm that your account is either business account or creator account. Personal Instagram accounts cannot be connected to Facebook page for business features such as Meta Business Suite, advertising, and insights. Fix 3. Check Business Manager ownership. Open Meta Business settings, then verify that the Facebook page belongs to the correct business account and confirm that your Instagram account and Facebook page are managed by the same business. If the page and Instagram account belong to different business managers, Meta may block the connection to prevent unauthorized access. Fix 4. Claim and link via Business Manager. Under your Business Suite settings, click Pages, then tap on Add, then go to Add an existing Facebook page. Now enter your page name or URL if the page is already tied to an Instagram handle. Toggle the prompt to claim page and Instagram together to unify ownership. Fix 5. Clear connects via Instagram profile settings. Open the Instagram mobile app and navigate to your Profiles tab. From there, select Edit Profile. Now, under Public Business Information, click Page. If a review connection or error prompt appears, click it to clear all token caches. Select the matching Facebook page and tap Connect. Fix 6. Remove and reconnect Instagram and Facebook. Open Facebook page settings, then navigate to linked accounts or Instagram and disconnect Instagram. And log out of both the apps. Then log back in and reconnect the accounts. Because sometimes connection data becomes corrupted or outdated. So reconnected forces Meta to create a fresh link between the accounts and refresh all permissions. Fix 7. Review Instagram and Facebook permissions. Open Facebook settings and go to business integration. Now locate Instagram related permissions. Remove all permissions if necessary and reconnect Instagram and grant all requested permissions. As expired or denied permission can prevent Instagram from accessing the Facebook page, reauthorizing restores the required access. Fix 8. Switch account status. Reset the handshake. Open Instagram, then go to settings. In it, go to account type and choose. Now temporarily revert your Instagram profile back to personal account and then switch it back again to professional/business account. Then log into your Facebook account center and retry the link setup. Fix 9. Connect through account centers. Open Instagram, go to settings and privacy, then tap on account center. Now add your Facebook account and follow the prompts to connect the Facebook page. As Meta's account center is now the preferred method for linking Facebook and Instagram accounts, it can resolve issues caused by older linking methods. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.